Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to restart and cold boot Samsung Smart TV. So let's check it out. By default, we all press the power button on our remote to turn on or turn off the Samsung Smart TV like this. Turn off, turn on. But sometimes or even most of the times it will be just in standby mode. We will still see all the apps and the homepage data same like before. We can go to YouTube and it will just open just like that. If we completely want to cold boot the TV, which is power off the TV and reboot from the start, then here are the steps. Now we have to long press the power button on our Samsung Smart TV remote. This is the solar cell model, but the steps should be applicable for other models too. So we have to take the remote and long press the power button and hold it for a few seconds. The TV will shut down and reboot again. This time we will see the QLED logo or any other relevant logos loading up as well. Now if I open the YouTube app, it will load freshly. We can see the YouTube logo intro animation as well. That's all. This cold boot could save us to recover some minor issues faced by the TV. A simple reset like this could come handy. We can also unplug the TV for a few seconds and plug it back. These are the steps to restart and cold boot the Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.